Welcome to the Magic Keys installation tutorial. From this tutorial, we will walk you through step by step on how to install the application and have it running on your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So first of all, when you go to the website, you will be given a link after you purchase to install the software. So for simplicity's sake, we already have the software here downloaded. So what we will do is we will go ahead and install it. Once you double click it, it will give you a dialog boxes which will guide you through the installation process. Once the installation is completed, it will give you a confirmation that installation was successful. So you hit close. Now, once you've hit close, you will see a shortcut on your desktop which will say Magic Keys. So once you double click it, it will show connected. This means that the software has identified the keypad and has connected to it. So you turn on your keypad from the turn and off button. So now you'll see a button here called Link MetaTrader. From this, it will ask you which MetaTrader you want to link to Magic Keys. So once you go to MetaQuotes, from MetaQuotes you will go to Terminal. And once you go to Terminal, you will be given these multiple codes here, depending on the amount of MetaTraders you are running on your system. So what we need to do is we need to choose which terminal is going to be connected with Magic Keys. So for simplicity's sake, now what we will do is we will go to our terminal, Traders Domain. Once that's open, we will head over to File, Open Data folder. From Open Data folder, now on the top hand side, you will see another code. So this is the code for your terminal. So it ends with A4E9. We will look for it in the Magic Keys dialog box here. So it's A4E9. We will select it, select folder, and restart your MetaTrader platform, which attach your Magic Keys. So for it to be attached to your MetaTrader, you need to restart the terminal. So we will close the terminal and we will go ahead and restart it. Once it's open, on the left hand side under Expert Advisors, you will see a Magic Keys advisor here, which you will drag onto the chart. And when it's dragged onto the chart, you will be given a Magic Keys 1.0.9 version. So from here, you need to make sure the allow DLL imports is checked off. From inputs, everything is all this is explained on the website under the specifications guide. And then you go to common. From common, you need to make sure allow automated trading is checked off as well. You hit OK. And your Magic Keys is active. Now to really check if it's really working, from your keypad, try pressing zoom in and zoom out. And then from the top you'll see FN and F3, F4. F4 will toggle your time frames. And then F3 will toggle the time frames backwards. And now you will click Open Calc. It will give you a calculator of your potential risk and potential reward. You will be able to move these lines. To close this calculator, you will press Open Calc again. And it's all set up. Hope everyone has fun.